Good morning, this is Al from Beeline Clamp. This is that $1 million home I was talking about that I've been doing. We're coming back to put car siding underneath the soffits up there, where you see the framing, way up on top. Gonna have car siding right here and in the back. What a view, that's the sand pit. It's still a working sand pit. Kitchen area. They're working on the pool over here. This is to give you an idea. From there to that wall is pool. So it would look like an infinity pool. There's the outdoor barbecue area. I thought it was just gonna be a spot for the mechanicals for the pool, but it isn't. It's going to be an outdoor kitchen type area. Car siding all along the bottom of this. What a home. Looks like that Kansas wind is taking its toll. Neighbors have their own basketball court. There's going to be a steel handrail right here going all the way down, and then the big drop off, probably be a volleyball court down there and a boat dock. But there they are. That's the sand pit, pulling sand out of the ground, so it's getting deeper.